We're live in the creativity arena, and today's matchup is you versus the blank slide. Forget isolation plays, we're running a set play with PowerPoint templates that makes your deck look big league in a hurry. You fire up PowerPoint, head straight to File, then New, and instead of that boring blank canvas, you're staring at a wall of ready-made designs. That's your playbook. You jump into the search box, type in business, school project, maybe modern, and instantly you're scrolling through styles, colors, layouts, previewing the look before you ever commit. You spot a winner, hit create, and boom, your new presentation opens like a well-drawn play. On the left, a lineup of pre-built slides, all running the same offensive scheme, matching layouts, clean themes, everything in rhythm. From there, you slam the new slide button on the Home tab, pick a layout, and just start filling lanes, type into placeholders, swap out images with a right-click, drop in your own visuals. The framework stays tight, the style stays consistent. Want to tweak the uniform? Hit the Design tab, change colors, fonts, variants, and the whole deck updates like a team in fresh jerseys. Love what you built? Save it as a .pox template, your own custom playbook for every future game. Blank slides don't stand a chance when you've got templates running the floor.